Today we're restoring one of the biggest RCs that we've ever owned. This is a Dragon Hobby Nimbus. It's of course a giant petrol RC boat, but it's in quite a state. So in this video we're going to be fully restoring it. But let me tell you, it was no easy task.
There was an earwig in the carburettor.
From one disaster to another calamity.
Oh, now you've sunk it.
This is one action-packed video, so I really hope you enjoy.
Honestly. So, where do we even start with this?
I don't know. I saw it in my mate's barn, literally buried in stuff, coats and everything else. And all
Really?
I saw was like that much of it. And I immediately thought, I need to have a look at that. And then when I realised it's actually got, look, what do I realise it's got inside? It's got a real engine in it. Kind of doesn't look like it's been used for a bit.
I mean, that looks like modified with Tupperware.
Now, thankfully, the boat itself didn't actually look in too bad condition. There was a few chips on the paintwork, but it looked like we needed to put most of our attention into the internals, mainly the engine.
Well, I think what we should start with is see if it's got a spark. Hold that about there. In there. Should be a spark. If there's a spark there, we're on a winner, because then we don't have to go taking everything apart.
Yeah.
Oh, so that had saved us a massive job. So next up, Pete wanted to clean out the carb, which turned out to be a little bit alive.
That's an earwig. There was an earwig in the carburettor. Goodness me. It's not a great start if there's earwigs in it.
I mean, that looks all quite clean in there.
I mean, what if there's a moth in the pull start? I never thought I'd say that, but it's a worry now. It looks like it might be a fairly simple restoration if there's no more critters in the engine. In theory, it should work, but often with projects like this, it's a lot more difficult and complicated than we first thought, but we're going to find out. That's what it's all about.
So next up, we quickly finished off the water cooling system.
We need to connect a little bit of pipe from there to there. That's the water cooling system that pumps water through underneath the boat, round the engine to cool it down, and then back out the side.
Oh, it fits very nicely, though.
And then we put the carb back on without an air filter because it's a boat and it's not really going to need it. So then it was time to see if it would actually start.
Oh, it works!
That is ridiculous how quick that starts.
Oh, it's another one.
So with that, our last job was to wire up the kill switch and then actually see if the water cooling system is actually working. And for that, we went to the finest outdoor bathroom.
Well, it floats. That's a good start.
Good start, yeah.
Oh man, it was such a delight to see this thing come to life. So, after Pete had drunk his beverage,
Oh, no, you really?
we got ready to take it out for its first run.
It's going to be fun. I'm really looking forward to it. It's just like I am a little bit nervous, not gonna lie.
Do you know what? Pete's nerves were going to be validated because things didn't exactly go to plan, as you'll see a bit later on.
Here we go. There is a proper designated boat park and a life ring. We might need that. Here we are.
Oh, we got high tide as well somehow.
I know, well, that's lucky.
So this was it, the first time we were going to be seeing this thing in action. So after I'd met the local wildlife, we hit the sea. So it was driving well, but inside we had a big problem.
But we're not getting any water cooling then.
For some reason, the system was completely blocked up and we didn't really know why. Possibly another earwig?
Such a shame. It was working so well.
It works. It's great, doesn't it?
Yeah.
So we were going to have to find a way to unblock it.
No.
We're on our way to a petrol station.
For an airline.
Oh, look, it's being used. Goodness sake. Come on, stop using it. Some of us have got toy boats to clean out.
I was all excited about boats. I've got wet, cold feet.
Well, after about a century, it was our go. And amazingly, it actually worked. So with that, we went to get some lunch.
Hello. Who's that? I don't know. He wanted to be in your video.
Do love a Greg's.
And after that, we headed straight back down to the beach, hoping and praying that the boat was going to work this time.
It works! You fixed it, Pete!
And then... Right, little update for you. So it was going really well at first. The boat was driving perfectly, and then that wave finished it off. It rolled over, all the water just shot inside, and it's messed up the engine pretty badly. We've killed the spark plug. We're currently at GSF Car Parts, so hopefully these guys are going to have a spark plug for us so we can get it fixed, get it down to one of the rivers somewhere around here, and get it running in some fresh water just to clean it off, really. Oh, yes!
Should we see if it works?
Thankfully, it did. So with that, we decided to completely abandon the beach because it seemed too dangerous. We had some lunch, again. Sign there that says business park. Is that like where all people in suits meet up to like calm down? And after that, we headed straight down to the river. The perfect place to clean this thing off and also get some more videos of this thing. At least, that's what we thought at the time. Oh, this is rather fabulous.
It is, isn't it?
Look!
It's a lot calmer.
It is a lot calmer than the sea, and it's also fresh water, so we can get this thing washed off after running it in the salt water, that's the key thing. Oh, there I go, sending it off, not a care in the world. If only I knew. At first the boat was going so well, but then it decided to die in the middle of the river.
It's going towards the waterfall.
How is that possible?
How is that possible?
There was obviously only one thing for it.
Honestly.
But before I could get there in time, this happened. After being spun around and around for about 10 minutes, it finally broke free. Yes, 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 yes! But the chances were, after going through that could be the end of it.
Yay! That's probably killed it.
It'll be alright. I mean...
No, it won't. All the electrics, all the fuel, everything. Damn it, you look wet.
I think this run was even shorter lived than the beach, and just as we'd feared...
I guarantee you that is not going again today. All the servos are twitching out.
Now, as you can imagine, we weren't feeling too enthused about the world of boating because every time we did it, so far it seemed to go a bit wrong. So, we both took a week off, came back to it 7 days later with a fresh mind, he completely redid the electrics, and third time around we were hoping and praying that we were going to see some performance out of this thing.
There you go, look. My own kit glasses. Oh no! Oh.
Round three.
Round three.
Replace the electrics again.
Yes, we got rid of the now drowned servo. New receiver, kill switch.
Wow. We're going to an actual proper professional RC boating lake.
You say professional, we're going.
Well, we're going, so it will then be rendered unprofessional. But I definitely think that's better than trying the sea.
Yes.
A weir.
Yeah. The weir did not end well. Here we go. Boating. Boating.
What is it they say, supposedly third time lucky? Well, about that. The professionals are there. Professionals that didn't look like they'd take too kindly to this sort of vessel.
This is how we roll, Toby.
It is,
honestly, what is it? An idle Wednesday.
People keep turning up with scale boats. To be honest with you, there was only one thing we could possibly think of that would be appropriate to do in this situation. Just after a couple of minutes, we seemed to have the pond to ourselves. Weird. Look at it go! It worked so well that we kept running it until eventually... Oh no! We ran out of fuel. I'm on my way! Got it.
Got it.
Pete's hiding because he's upset the locals. What are you doing in here?
I want to put this carburettor on there and see if this one works any better, because I think the diaphragms are possibly hacked out on my one. I think that's going to make it a lot better, yeah, hopefully.
So while Pete got on with that, I had my own little mission to run. You see, this happens. I get hungry.
Bits.
Anyway, with that done, it was time to do the most important bit of this whole video. Finally, after weeks of fettling, we had the boat working perfectly. But there was still one more job I really needed to do, and I really need you guys to stick around for just another 30 seconds, because this is really important. I'll explain. As much as we've enjoyed playing with this thing the last couple of weeks, there was someone we really wanted to be here with us. Not this guy, by the way. We just met him. He was lovely. Pete's dad, Roger, he's really into his boats. He loves them. And sadly, his recent health meant that he had to give this one a miss. So, I really wanted him to feel included in this little journey that we've had. So I popped over there and we watched this video from beginning to end, and he loved it.
Very good.
Thank you.
Yeah, no.
I wish you could have been there with us, really.
I really would have loved to. Hopefully we'll find an answer to it and get it all over and done and get back to normal.
100%. And you can come out boating.
Yeah, well, yeah. Well,
he'll be there.
Yeah, I'll be there. I'd like to get my own boat back out there again.
Oh, Peter, let you have a go on that one. I'm sure he will.
Oh, I'm talking about a big boat.
Oh, proper. Oh, okay.